Welcome to another video of English for Backbenchers. Today we are going to discover prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes and suffixes are like word transformers. A prefix comes at the beginning of a word and changes its meaning, like in unhappy. A suffix comes at the end and can change the word's meaning or turn it into a different part of speech, like full in playful. Understanding prefixes and suffixes helps us unlock the meaning of many words. Here are some examples of prefixes. The first prefix is un. Here are some words with examples of un. Number 1. Unhappy. The unhappy child refused to play with the other kids. Number 2. Unfold. The mystery novel began to unfold its secrets as the detective delved deeper into the case. Number 3. Unbelievable. After weeks of hard work, she achieved an unbelievable feat by breaking the long-standing record. The second prefix is re. Let's see some words with re. Number 1. Rewrite. She decided to rewrite the essay to improve its quality. Number 2. Revisit. After many years, she decided to revisit her childhood home to relive the memories of her youth. Number 3. Reconnect. Despite years of lost contact, old friends were able to reconnect at the high school reunion and reminisce about the past. The third prefix is pre. Let's see some words with pre. Number 1. Preheat. The chef instructed us to preheat the oven before baking the cake. Number 2. Predict. Based on the economic indicators, experts predict a positive trend in the stock market for the next quarter. Number 3. Preschool. The preschool teacher organized fun and educational activities to engage the young learners in the classroom. Now let's have a look at suffixes. The first suffix is full. Let's see some words with full. Number 1. Beautiful. The garden was filled with beautiful flowers of various colors. Number 2 is colorful. The market was filled with colorful fruits and vegetables, creating a vibrant and lively atmosphere. Number 3. Delightful. The surprise party was a delightful success and the guest of honor was genuinely touched by the effort put into the celebration. The second suffix is li. Let's have a look some words with li. Number 1. Quickly. She spoke quickly to ensure that everyone understood the important details. Number 2. Happily. After receiving good news, she happily shared the exciting announcement with her friends and family. Number 3 is loudly. The fireworks exploded in the night sky, filling the air with bright colors and booming loudly. The third suffix is less. Let's have some words with less. Number 1. Fearless. His fearless attitude helped him overcome challenges with ease. Number 2. Endless. As they sailed across the open sea, the horizon seemed to stretch into endless blue, creating a sense of vastness. Number 3. Thoughtless. Making thoughtless remarks can hurt others, so it's important to think before speaking. And there you go. You have embarked on a journey into the realm of prefixes and suffixes. Stay tuned for further linguistic explorations.